Abubakar now said the way he beg for the matter, he can't be as if he don't the pity Blord, because me, my mind is strong. I don't send anybody.
And for the record, Blord said he did not send anybody to go and beg the complainer to, which is VeryDarkMan.
Listen, today, now I don't understand, say, VDM movement, people when they support the movement, get sense pass una when they feel say una they support Blord.
An unfortunate oppressor. Now your fellow rabbit and rat are even the pity.
What you understand? Say Blord, in fact, that place be like holiday for them. VeryDarkMan come and say, say Blord nowhere. Say them give them information. Say Blord the peace for body, the peace for trouser. You understand? Say na saying them body the shiver. Now they move and go another person in prison. So
Here is the counter affidavit opposing Blord's bail application that BTM filed on the 10th of April. So BTM rushed to quadruple PR just in case Blord gets big.
Welcome back to Plan B TV News. A lot of you are familiar with this story of Blord, Sowore, and VeryDarkMan. The story is really long, but I will try and break it to different segments. If you are new in my channel, please do endeavor to subscribe, because I will make part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 to part 5. So I don't just want to congest the full story in one video so that all of you will not be saying, your video is too long. But anyway, what happened is that, you know, Blord have been in prison because of the character assassination of VeryDarkMan, and VeryDarkMan wrote a petition. A lot of you know the story. I don't just want to emphasize on it. Now, Sowore, on the other hand, have been trying to prove that he is the Odunga of all activists to remove Blord from prison. Now, recently, prompted to the judge resumption of their holiday, you know, they are supposed to resume holiday on the 13th of April. Well, VeryDarkMan make a video and said that he heard that Blord is sick. So for that reason, he wants to release him. And the whole social media went agog. I mean, the opposition, which is the Blord and Sowore fans, and went and go, they start dragging him and all of that. Blord fans, lawyers, and the Sowore crew came together and said, we never beg you. We don't ask you to release him. We will do it ourselves because you are afraid, just simply because you heard that the judge are going to resume and you know that you cannot keep him there. And they said a lot of things, and I want you guys to watch.
Everyone, we just concluded a visit to Mr. Linus Williams, aka Blord. Our visit was upon the mandate of Mr. Omoyele Sowore in solidarity with Blord concerning the ongoing incarceration. We met him in very high spirits. He's very comported, very resolute and gallant in his convictions, and he has extended his appreciation to all Nigerians who have stood with him in solidarity, and he is very grateful to everybody who has raised their voice on this matter.
But we can't talk about the dragging without you watching the short clip of the video that VeryDarkMan released that prompted this whole story that we're analyzing right now. I want you guys to watch it.
Abubakar now said the way he beg for the matter, he can't be as if he don't the pity Blord, because me, my mind is strong. I don't send anybody. Because you know, say Fino beg, they start to go to insult Fino. They say, oh, no. Now, Blord lawyers, he don't send them all those things.
Now, it's the confidence that these people have that prompted me to do this particular video. Now, Sowore, right-handed man, came out to make a breakdown. He scattered the whole thing to prove that they can release Blord for prison. That is why VDM is so afraid to say, oh, since he don't longer have the power to keep him there, that's why he's running to say, oh, we beg you. Nobody beg you. And I want you guys to watch what he said. We'll be right back.
Here is the counter affidavit opposing Blord's bail application that BTM filed on the 10th of April. So BTM rushed to quadruple PR just in case Blord gets big. Despite filing to oppose Blord bail, he knows that the judge, who has been on vacation since Easter, is resuming tomorrow. And we should worry on the case, Blord will get big. This is a classic manipulation. BTM, nobody's begging you. Blord did not beg you. It's a body face the beggar. But you already saw that Sowore is now involved. And the judge is back. Masha doesn't want to be associated with this corporation case because of Sowore. Quickly rush to come and manipulate colorful Nigerians. It everything you cry. Sowore left publishing for Sahara Records since 2018 when they wanted to go into qualities. You showed the post from 2024 on Sahara Records marked opinion, meaning the writer is responsible for whatever he says. You read that the name of the writer. Does Usman sound like Sowore? These days you are beginning to sound so unintelligent. Bro, like I posted something on X. Instead of you to face me, he faced Elon Musk. Usman wrote a post about you and how you discourage people from participating in the protests of empire governance in 2024. Mind you, Sowore was not even in the country that time. You come out and say Sowore that's not like, bro, you sound so dumb. That same March 2024, Sowore released you from prison. On Easter Sunday, when police arrested you for impersonation, your lawyer came out to come and thank Sowore. Oh, you did not say a word. So it was because of those posts. Post was directed at Barrister Masha, who is a human rights lawyer, working under Ofalan, which you try to blackmail, who is also a renowned human rights lawyer. Bro, you don't come close to Sowore in any aspects. Not locally, not internationally. Sowore is always invited to top-level conferences like MBA conferences, ICANN conferences, national TV to discuss national issues. He has spoken on global stage like Al Jazeera, on TEDx, you just name it. It's only covered issues. I'm very glad I used to invite you. Why? Because you have no meaningful impacts to share. Instead of you to move close to Sowore and learn and unlearn, you are mysteriously looking for attention by all means. We know that is how he ignored you that is most painful to you. Your two lawyers, and Seun Kuti, are supporting Sowore over every other presidential candidate. They will choose Sowore over you anytime, any day. Honestly, I just pray that you put your head somewhere before you lose all the responsible people that are following Mr. Happy. Take it. Take it to the crowd. Okay, nobody's begging you. Do your case. You have already filed affidavit. So stay with it. Don't leave your chest. Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
All of this is on Saturday, not yet on April 13th, when the judge is going to resume, when the court case is going to resume. Now, I also want you guys to watch another video of VDM fans, what they make to counter all their claim, and I want you guys to watch it.
Listen, today, now I don't understand, say, VDM Rate movement, people when they support the movement, get sense pass una, when they feel say una they support Blord. Yes. If now, yesterday video, VDM was, or give a loopholes on how Blord go take come outside. Very easy way, at least he go even place on row. But instead, una go shut una mouth up. Una carry una camera like this one day here. This one day my scream so. He carry a camera. Oh, video know that Blord will be coming out today. The judge will sit and Blord will come out today. For that reason now, he they do damage control. This and this and this. This and this and this. Now show where they pay you. Talking rubbish. Nah. You dare your ass. You don't go cause problem. VDM is a manipulator and the rest of it. The manipulator now don't talk say he not go make any call again. Make una go free the Blord if una believe say go free today. Now they keep Blord for that. I not blame Asha. I not blame una. Show Oga Sowore where go there. He say Blord say they relax for Kunje. They relax for prison. Now for Blord, but I wouldn't say they relax for prison. No. So as he get money rich, he not see a money relax. He say won't go Kunje, go relax. No Allah. Nah. My data when I buy today, now say okay. As Blord they come outside, they declare our news. We gonna do reaction video. Nah. We don't know whether I go come outside. We don't even TikTok and that guy will not come outside today. What it concern Nigerians? In this situation of Blord and VDM, this is not about exercising authority, power, or money. One person is right, one person is wrong. If not Igbo country, if not the big man they right, the big man they wrong, the big man go face the law. If not the poor man they right, the poor man they go settle around. They call it deformation. But when you see this country called Nigeria, Africa, especially our country called Nigeria, we they support people not because of the fact, but because of what our hate toward the person when they right. Let's assume saying a poor man they right. As long as we like rich man, we go support the rich man, leave the poor man. Hey, come on there, take 5 million, make you rest. You not go happy say they give 5 million. You get 5 million before. That is the country we are in Africa. That is the country we are in Nigeria. Not until we learn to understand that, hey, Blord, you went astray. What you do to VDM? Actually, na criminal case, na criminal something. Establish that fact first. Then you know the road to peace. Establish the fact to tell the person, oh, Ghana, you did right, actually. Blord was taking it as a what? As something social media play. But VDM, we did right. I beg, no come out. You understand? But no, VDM like this and this and that. You they call the person name. You they give a different type of name. APC, content creator. You want he go proof to now. He they prove her now. He don't tell them go court to. Muna call the Abuja go free now. If you know say they sure. Nonsense people. Now we dey destroy this country. Leave the now the reason wait let our politicians they know they apologize to us. They know they are accountable to us because the way we they condescend our things to say you know see they properly. Our thinking way. That is why we not get it. We want to feed the whole our politicians accountable. That is why the people to see they follow now they go they tell and say they won't give them a good government and now they happy say me they go meet them. Good. Now that they let below they were they hear people.
Now, how many of you remember this guy that they accused that he was allegedly involved to the demise of Junior Pope? He also came out. Everybody want trend. And I want you guys to listen to what he said. We'll be right back.
I don't want to do video about this very irresponsible man and Blord saga. But let me just do this video because VeryDarkMan don't to get into our nerves. How can you say that Blord was sick? That was why they transferred him from the ghetto prison to the VIP. Are you crazy? Were you there? If I even talk within the controller, the charge where they in charge of that Kuje prison tell us. Instead to say na in they in charge, say in Siuna, where they escort Blord for that Black Maria, say for fire on a moto. If for fire on a moto, because now they breach the law of prison. He come on, they talk rubbish. This one. When we filed for his bail application, you very irresponsible man, you went behind our back to file a counter affidavit against Blord so that they will not release him, so that he will not be granted bail. I just posted it now. You are just being a unfortunate oppressor. Now your fellow rabbit and rat are even the pity. People never see, people will say their eye never open. You guys need to open your eyes and see the kind of person very irresponsible man is. He's a very wicked human being. Do you know so many celebrity cases that are going on in Abuja? Now VeryDarkMan, and they use in hand write petition against those people. When Ojukwu Okoro went to prison, it was same very irresponsible man, this guy that went to arrest him on behalf of Mrs. Johnson. You just say they keep quiet, we don't know things. We know many things. When Naramari was arrested, and that guy that was dancing, what is his name again? Now, very irresponsible man. I facilitate everything. I am happy now that my lawyer.
Everybody want to talk. Everybody is trying to take sides so that they will be relevant. I also want you guys to watch what Etimi said in all of this. We'll be right back.
Make una see me see problem. Shebun, I don't see say VeryDarkMan and Sowore, then they carry Blord Destiny they play. Yesterday VeryDarkMan come at us say Blord for prison in the sick, or say they don't change the prison because somebody no fit carry waiting that happen there, you understand? Say then they torture and then they slap and train in the morning, train in the afternoon, train in the night, you understand? Today Sowore don't come and say, say me they never mind VeryDarkMan. Say Blord they okay, say that one they do like say VeryDarkMan a clown, like say VeryDarkMan no, like say VeryDarkMan they lie, you know, Sowore no even the fair. When I know say VeryDarkMan to say say me Sowore come out to the campaign, and Sowore come and think carry, you know, say get those boys them. Where they wear those tumbuka. You know, say so when I get some boys where they give that yellow cap, those boys, you know, say that can be the people. If I see them, be the people that say that group of people who want go thief. They carry cap, give them, they go prison where Blord they. Or they convince me, Blord is they sick, I mean they sick. Which one will go believe you? Is he okay in the prison? Is he still on holiday? Or he won't come out? Because which one will go believe? Where can I say that? So when they don't come this morning now, say nothing they do Blord. If they do like say VeryDarkMan, say that one. You see the way when they talk, if the way when they do it face, like say VeryDarkMan a ye person, like say you know him and Ratters them, they no get sense. I beg for Ratters only me get sense. So that's why they laugh.
Say Blord no well. He was seriously ill. They put him with hardened criminals. You know they used to that kind of environment. So he falls sick.
I'm sure when I see say these two people then they carry Blord Destiny they play. Who we go believe now? So when they send just they come out from prison, say Blord they okay. Say Blord don't chop. Say it's in the chop chicken in the order waiting in what you understand. Say Blord in fact that place be like holiday for them. VeryDarkMan come and say say Blord no well. Say them give them information. Say Blord the peace for body, in the peace for trouser, you understand? Say that so in the body they shiver. Now they move and go another person in prison. So
Everybody have contributed their opinion regarding to this issue. We said we don't want you to release Blord. We will do it ourselves because we have son. Blord have paid the highest son to represent him. They will remove him on Monday. We don't send you. We don't ask you. Anyway, I would have just put all one video in one place. It will be too long. So we'll wait for the next part. Where that day, gone, what happened on April 13 when the judge resumed court, when Sowore went there with all the host of the Sun that they have in their disposal. What happened and how the whole case ended. So this is the part one. I'll be waiting for you guys in the comment section. I love you guys. God love you more. If you have not subscribed, please do. If you already subscribed, also turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out our future uploads. This particular video get part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. And maybe, I don't know, since the court case is still going, maybe we reach part 6. It's going to be an episode. I love you. Peace out.